creamy, garlicky seafood heaven in a dip. Today we're making our signature creamy garlic seafood dip. This dip is perfect for game night or any casual dip night, so stick around. Start by adding 4 ounces of softened cream cheese to a mixing bowl. Then add half a cup of labneh or Greek yogurt and half a cup of sour cream. Then add half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese and half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Add 1/3 of a cup of cooked crab meat and 1/3 of a cup of cooked salad shrimp. Then add 3 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped green onion, 2 teaspoons of our signature dip seasoning, recipe on our channel, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. What's your favorite dip for game night? Let us know in the comments. And 1 teaspoon of Frank's Red Hot sauce. Download your free snack and dip guide ebook by scanning this QR code. Now mix all ingredients really well, and then transfer it to an oven-safe casserole dish. Make sure to not overfill the dish. If you like this video, please share it. Then bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Now prepare the topping. Mix half a cup of chopped bell pepper with a tablespoon each of basil and lemon juice, and 1/8 of a cup of cooked crab meat and 1/8 of a cup of cooked shrimp, and mix all ingredients. When the cheese is bubbling and the dip is golden brown, carefully remove it from the oven. Then sprinkle the prepared topping on top of the dip. And there you have it, a creamy garlic seafood dip, perfect for game night or casual entertaining. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.